Hey, welcome to the channel, guys. Steven Inspire here. It is a beautiful day out here. I'm so thankful I'm able to work online and have the freedom that I've had for the past 5 years. I've been working online now for 5 years now. I own a digital marketing agency, and these are some of the things that I love doing: building websites, doing social media marketing, and helping businesses grow their business through getting clients in the local industry. Those are some of the services I offer, and I've been able to work around the world, travel the world, and work from my laptop anywhere I want, make passive income, and I have multiple streams of passive income, and I've learned how to build those on the internet. Yes, it was hard starting out in the beginning because you have to learn the knowledge, you have to learn the systems, and you have to get the proper experience, but it's very real. A lot of people I know right now are freeing themselves from that 9 to 5 because of the internet and the opportunities that the internet have now, giving people more ways to make money, right? Now you don't have to race to the time clock. Now you don't have to race and live up to your boss's, opinions and all that stuff, and you can let that go. But I want to give you 3 keys on how to let that go and how to start your business online. So the first thing, the most important thing, is finding a product or finding a service that you can offer that you're going to be happy. It's not about just finding any yes, there's a lot of products that are going to sell better than other products. Yes, there's a lot of services that are going to sell better than other services. It's not about the service that makes the most money. It's about the service. These are the people that have longevity in the game. These are people like me that stick in the game and build businesses for the past 5 years and make money online, and I wake up and I can work anywhere I want. So the main key is finding something that you can do every day. Number 1. Find a product you're interested in, or find a service that you're interested in. Why? Why do you have to be interested in? Because you have to have passion about it. You have to care about it. You have to have fun doing it. That's what's gonna bring consistency. This game, making money online, building a legacy online, building multiple streams of passive income online, is all about consistency. So find something you can sell, and find something you can sell as a service, or a product you can sell and care about it, so you can do it more consistently. 2, you have to learn marketing. There's no way around marketing right now. You have to learn marketing, right? A lot of people are using the old ways of marketing. A lot of companies, a lot of big multi-million-dollar local companies in my city are coming to me now saying, hey, we're dying. We didn't listen 4 years ago when the internet was telling us, hey, get on Google. Hey, start building your Google, start building your social media. They weren't listening. Now I'm seeing a lot of businesses have problems. And it's unfortunate because these are a lot of family businesses, right? But what you can do is learn all of the digital marketing tactics: Facebook ads, social media marketing, creating content, Google AdWords, how to do paid advertising, how to use their systems and their targeting systems to find your right clients, how to build a website, how to optimize your website for click-throughs and conversions, and how to get people to fill out the forms on the front page, or how to get people to convert better when they're buying that product, whatever e-commerce product is you're selling. You're gonna have to learn all of these little pieces to the puzzle and put them all together, where you can create a consistent cash flow system where you can make money and you can make a living for yourself. That way you don't have to go clock in anymore. You can say, I quit. And now that's the position you need to be in, because if you're doing part-time online and you're doing part-time at a job you hate every day, you're not gonna put in 100% effort into that thing that's gonna free you. We need to get you to the position where you're full-time working on your business online, working on your streams of income online, so you can put 100% into what's gonna free you and actually make you happier at the end of the day. Number 3, the most important key. It doesn't matter how much you market. It doesn't matter how much traffic you get to your website. It doesn't matter how many people you call a day. A lot of things come down to sales. You have to convert. You have to actually sell that product. So if you're selling a service, you need to know psychology. You need to watch some of the best salespeople in the game to learn, when you get into that meeting position, how to sit down and how to ask for the money at the end of the meeting, at the end of the conversation. And I see this problem a lot. I see this problem from so many different industries, a lot of freelancer industries. They know how to have a great conversation, talk about what it is they do, but they don't know how to ask for the money at the end of the day. And that's one of the most crucial things, is you have to ask for the sale. You have to say, hey, it's time to sign up. Hey, it's time to put some money into the account so we can get started. And you have to learn that process. And a lot of people starting out are scared to do that. You have to learn sales. When it comes to e-commerce, you have to showcase your product better than the million other people probably selling the same product as you are, right? So you have to learn how to showcase. You have to learn, if it's a website that you're only selling your product from, you have to learn how to do conversion rate optimization. You need to learn all the psychological tricks of why people click, why people don't click, how to get them to click through the Facebook ad, how to get them to click through search engines like Google and all these other search engines. So these are the 3 most important keys to making money online, but it's that simple. It really is that simple. Those 3 things, if you focus on those 3 things, on one product, on one service, and you build it up over time, you will start making an extra stream of income online. And if you need to do that on the side, you can build that up, and then you can say goodbye. Bye-bye, boss. I'm leaving. I'm making money on my own, because I've been doing it, and I'm out here every day. So it's real. Take advantage. Take advantage 2020. The internet, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but take advantage this year. Take care, guys. Stay inspired. Listen, if you wanna get a hold of me, leave a comment below. Ask me any questions you want. Ask me anything you need to know. Message me on Instagram. Ask me anything you need to know. I love helping people, so I just want to help free as many people as possible and feel the way I feel. I'm so happy. Take care, guys. Take care.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.